to our second show where we introduce you to the amazing Korean cuisine. I'm sure you have enjoyed the dishes we cooked last time. And here we have something more delicious for you. Let's speak to our chef, master chef, Mr. Kim. How are you doing?
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Nice to meet you.
Okay, so we have Mr. Kim with us, and let's ask, what is the secret for today? What are you going to cook for us?
Today I'm gonna make Dakgangjeong.
Oh,
It's kind of Korean style chicken. Very delicious.
and we have two guests with us. So please, let's talk to them. Please introduce yourself.
Hi ma'am, I'm Ayush Jha. I'm a second year undergraduate student at Delhi University. I'm representing the organization Global Youth here, and I'm here to assist Chef Kim to represent an Indian point of view towards the Korean cuisine.
Wonderful. Welcome to the show, Ayush. And we have Taru here with us. Please introduce yourself.
Annyeonghaseyo. My name is Taru Aluwalia and I am a third year undergraduate student from Delhi University. I'm from the organization Global Youth, and today me and my friend will be assisting Chef Kim into making some fun and easy Korean dishes.
Okay, welcome to the show, Taru. Okay, without waiting and without wasting any more time, let's get started. Yes, that's the chef.
Now we're gonna make chicken sauce. Parsley, turn on the induction and put on the low heat. And put 1 spoon of gochujang and 2 spoons of ketchup. Let's put 2 spoons of vinegar. We're gonna put some water in it and 1 spoon of soy sauce and some garlic and 2 spoons of corn syrup. Stir well, and we have to reduce until the sticky.
So that was the delicious gochujang sauce, which we all know as. So what are we going to do next now?
We have to marinate this chicken, and then we're gonna fry.
Okay, please, let's go ahead.
Then remove the pan. We have to heat up the oil. Put in all oil in it.
Are we going to deep fry the
Yes.
chicken, is it? Oh.
Now we have to drain the milk. Add some salt, a pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, then some garlic. Yes, you can put it all mix well. From now we just waiting for until the boiling oil.
Okay, so we have marinated the chicken now.
Yes.
So we have put some garlic
Yeah.
and salt and pepper, right? And what is the next step?
We're gonna make batter. I prepared the mixed flour.
Okay.
Yes, put 1 cup. Now we have to add water.
So 1 cup of flour and
Yes.
1 cup of water. So this is the quantity.
We're gonna mix.
I can see that the oil has come to a heated temperature. How?
Yes, the oil is ready. The batter seems like unsticky, so I gonna add some starch more.
Okay. So are we trying to make? We're trying to make the batter more thick.
Yes.
Okay.
Because the thicker is more make crunch.
I see. Yes. To make crispy chicken, we have to make the batter thick.
And batter is ready. Yes, done. We're gonna put starch in it chicken. Now we're gonna deep fry. First we have to check in oil temperature. It's perfectly ready to cook. Put chicken, all of the chicken in a batter.
Wow, that is one delicious smell. Yes, that makes you feel hungry.
We're gonna cook like 5 minutes or 10 minutes in oil. We're gonna cook 2 times to making super crunch. And then I think it seems like almost done. So we have to drain the oil.
Is it all done now?
Color is showing gold light.
Yes.
Its meaning is done.
Oh, I
But
see.
we're gonna fry one more time.
Okay, so this looks.
Guys, drain the oil.
Okay, so we increase the heat now?
Yes. And we're gonna fry one more time.
On a higher heat. Oh.
It's done.
Isn't that the perfect fried chicken we see here?
그냥 바삭하게 하려고.
Oh, right. So that's the secret. If you take out the chicken in the middle and then put it back again, it becomes crispy.
Replace oil. And we have to reduce sauce again.
On a higher heat?
Higher heat.
Oh, I just can't wait to have it, isn't it, Ayush? Right. Many of us Indians, we love to have spicy food, and chicken is the common non-vegetarian food among us. And so this is the recipe which was specially thought by Chef Kim to be introducing to us Indians here.
Heat the sauce at the medium heat.
At the medium heat.
We're gonna put chicken fry.
And mix it well with the sauce. Right? So here we have bigger pieces of chicken.
Wow, that's so big. So well, opposite side too. Yeah, it's time to plating. Yes. Put on the plate.
Wow, you know how to handle chopsticks quite well, Ayush.
I think it's
ye-
a bit now.
No, that's happening very well. So we have something delicious ready. Look, what do we have here ready with us? Is it looking delicious? Wow, so the decorations are still left.
Slice some spring onion. Split on the
Oh, that adds it all. That's beautiful. You all have prepared the yummy and tasty Dakgangjeong fried chicken with Korean delicious red pepper sauce. So just now we prepared Dakgangjeong. Wasn't it delicious? Wait a minute, we need to still taste it. Well, I'm so much mesmerized with the color and the brightness of the food. And what do we have now? We have Gimbap. Looks like sushi, but it is a very authentic Korean food. How do we understand Gimbap? Something like samosa in our Indian culture.
very common food in our country. So we used when we're going to picnic.
That's right. And Gimbap, by the way, can be made in with variety of ingredients. So what kind of Gimbap are we making today?
Today I just prepared the vegetable ingredient for the all of the Indian vegetarian.
All right. So all the vegetarians out there, we have something for you too.
We are 3 people, but we have just 1 rice cooker. So we're gonna make together. Prepare the washed rice. Add a cup of water. Now we're gonna put rice. Do you want to try to push?
Oh, this machine speaks Korean?
Yes. From now we have to divide rice. Can you guys give a bowl? And receive your bowl. And from now we're gonna seasoning on the rice. Firstly, put some sesame oil in it, some salt, pinch of salt, and mix the rice. So it's ready to cook. We're gonna cut vegetables, cut the both side, the half cut, and we have to remove the seed. You guys have to cut same like this. We have to marinate on the cucumber. So put some salt and mix well. Slice carrot, finger. The next step, I'm gonna cut tofu as much as you can. Cut the same like a finger size.
So we just saw the delicious Korean rice being made by Kuku, right? And we have cut a cucumber.
Yes, cucumber, carrot and tofu.
Cucumber, carrot and tofu.
And I'm gonna seasoning spinach. Normally we have to blend, but I just prepared.
Oh, I see. Are they boiled right now? They're pre-boiled spinach?
I just prepared.
I see. Wonderful. So, yes, Ayush is doing very well with the tofu, right?
We're gonna seasoning spinach, same as rice. We're gonna put salt and sesame oil, then mix well. We're gonna make egg pancake. Crack 2 eggs. Put some salt, mix with the chopstick until the mix well. Turn on the induction. 4 or 6 is enough for cooking. Some oil in a pan. We have to wait until the heat. Now pan is ready. Let's put we're gonna cut half and clean the pan. Put the oil. The pan is still hot. We're gonna cook tofu first and then put some salt and change the direction. Last preparing, we have to saute carrot, some salt. We just need to saute 40 or 50 seconds. And now I'm start to roll the gimbap. The first you have to put some sesame oil on your hand.
What is this called?
It's called bamboo seed. It's made with bamboo. So we used to use for making gimbap. Put the bamboo sheet. And then we're gonna put seaweed seed. Yes, we call Gim. And yes, and spread rice on the seaweed seed very thinly. And put eggs and then cucumber and roasted carrot and tofu and spinach. And we're gonna load. You have to pull the seaweed seed, then push hardly, and then continue load. Yes, gimbap is done. We're gonna make 8 pieces and then cut the half again.
Okay, now we are here with our third dish for the day, and this is called the traditional rice wine of Korea, which we call as Makgeolli. We go together?
Makgeolli!
Yes. So this Korean traditional rice wine was prepared since a long back ancient time in Korea. When we try to link makgeolli with Indian traditional drink, yes, we do have it. We have it in different versions in northeast states of India, as well as if you travel to the tribal belts in India, you can definitely find some of the other style and variety of makgeolli. And in every state in Korea, with the difference of ingredient, the makgeolli changes its shape and color. So what makgeolli are we going to have it today?
We're gonna make a basic of makgeolli today.
Let's get started.
Start making makgeolli. Yes, first soak rice in water a day and then drain during 6 hours. Let's turn on the induction. Now I'm gonna steaming rice. First put butter paper on the bottom and putting all rice. And we're gonna steaming for 30 minutes. Yes, 30 minutes is gone. Look at this. Cook the rice. We have to cool down. We have to cool down for 10 minutes. We have to measure all of the ingredients. Prepare one bowl. Put rice in it. Now this called Korean yeast. I prepared 200 gram of Korean yeast. Put all it. 5 gram yeast. And then 500 ml water in it. And we have to crush the rice with hand. Need to mash during 1 minute. And then prepare sterilized container. Close the cover. Keep it outside during 2 or 3 days. After that, we can drink it.
But chef, I just heard that we have to keep the box for 2-3 days outside.
Yes.
Why do we do that? Why can't we have it now?
It can be fermented.
With the reaction of the yeast and the rice, along with that, it starts to ferment. And so we need to wait for 2-3 days to get it up to the best level of fermentation. Yes. Woo! That is the traditional way of having makgeolli. And then we have it served in the nice Korean traditional. Oh, it's very nice. Thank you, thank you. So let's enjoy the Korean traditional rice wine, makgeolli.
Makgeolli.
Makgeolli. This is so nice. This is beautiful. Very fine rice wine. Definitely the Korean traditional rice wine is super. Try it all. And it is time for us to relish them outside in the lawns here. Let's begin. Okay, so here we are. ready with the wonderful dishes right in front of us and in the beautiful backyard of His Excellency's house. Now, I remember this here. Every year the Korean National Day celebrations happen, but due to the pandemic this year, unfortunately we have not been able to celebrate the Korean National Day. However, I'm still honored and lucky to be here sharing this evening with you all. Vihayo!
Other traditional wines that we usually taste, this tastes much richer.
Yes.
Because those are all French wines that we have tasted in India, and this South Korean wine is the first time we have tried anything.
Smells delicious, absolutely fabulous.
Next time when I go for a picnic, I'm gonna make Gimbap and take it for my friends. I have a favorite.
Oh, that's good. That's nice.
I think this is too healthy. Plus we made a vegetarian version.
Yeah.
Can we put tuna,
No,
chicken?
both, yes.
Wow.
How does it taste?
Oh, I can't believe this
Delicious.
is all prepared by you, and this is wonderful.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
I made it.
I think I'm gonna make it at home and then eat
Yeah.
it
Yes,
like
you
right
can.
crispy.
It's still a little bit crunchy, but if it was hot, it would have been really good. The chicken was really good, and I'll definitely try making it at home because it's really tangy and spicy, something that suits
Yes.
our taste buds very well.
So as the day goes by, and here we are at the closing of this show, we had the 2 amazing days of cooking with you. So we had prepared Gujongpan, Shinseollo, Dakgangjeong, Gimbap and Makgeolli. Didn't you enjoy that? I loved the entire show, and cooking with you was fun. And we must say thank you to the chef Kim. Thanks to His Excellency, the Ambassador of Korea, here at the Embassy of Republic of Korea at New Delhi. It was a delight to be with you, and do look forward for the next series of amazing Korean culture coming up for you. Thank you.